Hello, I am here on the website for WordCamp Mukono and I want to register a ticket. The event is happening on 13th and 14th. There are two tickets here. There is one which is early bird, which is 30,000, and the actual cost is actually 120, basing on the benefits of the event and whatever is going to be offered. So we need to register the early bird before they are sold out. So click on early bird ticket, and yeah, so you have to get your ticket via MOMO Ticketing. So I want to buy. When I click there, it takes me to the website for MOMO Ticketing, and I have to be able to buy. So we have early bird ticket. We even have a student ticket here. So let me buy the early bird ticket. So I'm going to come and I click on this plus because I want one ticket up there. Okay, so the total here is 30,000. Okay, then I do this. I say quick buy. Now it is going to ask me for my contact information. My name is Rogers Mokalele. My number is 776. Okay, so you need to have an email to buy this ticket. Okay, so the payment method is pay with MOMO, and then that you are having. So I have that number. Okay, so confirm, and I'm going to enter my PIN during this period. After I have confirmed, okay, it is going to bring that. So then I'm going to say confirm. You see, it says success. I have been able to buy a ticket. When I go to my email, find your attached tickets for the order where they come. Okay, so this is my ticket. Okay, please find your tickets, take a screenshot and all that. So I already have my ticket. Ticket is here. I have to show that I paid and I'm ready to enter inside. Okay, thank you very much. That's what I wanted to share.